During your insurance claim for your property, can you make additions and upgrades to the property? I don't know. Let's find out. Chris, you're here, the claims manager, Chris Barrientos. Welcome, my
Uh,
friend.
How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us again. We love creating all this content for you guys. Obviously,
Definitely.
we want to educate you. This is an important one because this one gets brought up all the time because people are thinking about making, changes to maybe their commercial buildings for,
Right.
different offices, if they get new tenants, whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
Um, so people are always thinking about it, and when a claim happens, it's like, okay, now might be a good time. So,
Right.
can you make additions? Yes. Does the insurance company pay for it? No. So if you want to explain that, Taylor, go
Yeah,
for
yeah.
it.
So ultimately, like Chris said, I mean, the two tenets of insurance is make you back to pre-loss condition based on what your policy says, if it's ACV or RCV, and you cannot profit from the claim. Those are the two basic tenets of all insurance policies, which means the foundation of each one is are those two things. So as long as you're not profiting from it, and as long as you're not using those funds from the insurance company for the additions for the upgrades. Now, if it makes you back to pre-loss condition to do some of this stuff, and then
Mhm.
above and beyond that, it's on your dime, that's totally fine. One of the things that we do talk to you as the insured about is communicating and being transparent with the insurance company as far as what the plans are so they know, oh, okay, the cabinets here we're paying for as the insurance company. Everything else above that, you are paying as the insured because you're doing the updates and the upgrades. We, as the insurance company, are not responsible for that. Okay,
Mhm.
that makes sense. And so
Yeah.
just being transparent, we have nothing to hide, neither do you as the insured. So let's just do that. Let's have that good communication with the insurance company so they know what's going on, they know what
Mhm.
they're responsible for, they know what you as the insured are responsible for, and then there's no questions. I think that's the best policy.
Absolutely. And sometimes it's actually really good timing too. Like if you've been thinking about doing this anyways, and let's say a fire unfortunately happens or water loss happens, unfortunately, but you've been thinking about some things to do anyways. Well,
Right.
obviously bringing it back to pre-loss conditions is gonna might help the situation out as far as you put those additions on because construction
Right.
is ready to be started. So just keep that in mind. That's all. So,
Yeah,
but again,
exactly
you
it.
can't pay for it. So,
That's right.
I'm sorry, you have to pay for it, not the insurance company.
That's right.
So,
You have to pay for any upgrades or extensions, additions to that
yeah.
property. But the best thing that we could do to help you is if you contact us, bellatorclaims.com, let us know what's going on with your claim and how we can assist. The sooner you get us involved in your claim, the better the outcome usually is 99% of the time. So let us know as soon as you possibly can, bellatorclaims.com. Do us a favor, we're trying to reach 1 million people with this message and give us a like on the video, give us a comment, share this with the world, and then do us the last and best favor subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us.